Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. So how you gonna do that? So without wasting our time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat. After opening the Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile icon here. After that, if you scroll down, then here you can find your friends list, and on the top of the list you will find your best friend list. And if you want to remove any of your friend from that list, what you have to do, there will be 2 or 3 methods I will tell you. The first method is, as you have to stop sending snap to that friend, and Snapchat will automatically dethrone that friend from your best friend list. Moreover, what you have to do, for example, if you want to remove that friend from your best friend list, then what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold that friend, and after that you have to simply click on manage friendship. After that you can simply block that friend, and if you block that friend, then you can easily remove that friend from best friend list. After a few days you can unblock that friend, and after unblocking, that friend will not be available in your best friend list. Moreover, you can also remove that friend by simply press and hold, and after a few days, if you remove that friend will also be removed from your best friend list, and after a few days you can also re-add that friend in your friend list, and that friend will be in your normal friend list, not in your best friend list. These are the method which you can use to remove some of your friends from your best friend list. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.